That's no mames. Let's get it, y'all. We got 30 seconds till market open. Grizzly, you here, bro? What's up, Grizzly Glout? Uh-oh, Grizzly finished his coffee. That means it's game time. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. 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 Oh my gosh. Holy shit. That's wild. Literally off the open. 40-point candle in 10 seconds. Damn genius, still left that whole move. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Grizzly, you here, bro? Look, that was just a... Yep. I think it can be. I think today can be really good, and so can tomorrow. I think both have a chance to be very, very good trading days. Deep black beside. Let's see.
They already made the first move, which was from 007 to 946. Are they going to continue dumping, or are they going to play games within this range before the dump?
They better not be playing games. They better not play games with us.
I said they will play game because the dump is massive. The dump scenario is massive, so...
Gotta get my glasses on. Can you make me host, Grizzly? If you didn't already, I haven't looked. Thank you. There we go. Screen share is on, everybody. All right, let's see. Let's see. We got the screen share on and active, baby. Well, one good trade. That's all we want. One good trade, Team Bull. One good trade. That's all it takes. One good trade, everybody. Damn, y'all really care about the hat, huh? And the glasses. All right. Everyone says, put your hat forward. We need good luck. Put your glasses on. Like, damn, we're taking this shit seriously now, huh? Oh. I don't know why you didn't get a notification for the live. You should have. Keep your notifications on. You should have, bro. Appreciate all y'all being here. Everyone, welcome to the live stream, everybody. Welcome in. Let's make some money today. Good morning, Bryce. Good morning. First time here, Robin. Welcome. Welcome, my friend. Let me get the YouTube pull up. Which way we heading today? We put a pull out on YouTube every day. Usually, you guys are pretty good. We got a good crowd of guessers here. Got a good crowd of analysts here. Best trading group there is. Let's go. Yeah, come on, guys. 360 people watching and 20 likes. Like this YouTube live up, guys. Come on. We're putting in work for you every day. Every single day, I'm doing my best to help y'all learn, level up, and win. Get those likes up, baby. Come on. Coming on here recently has helped me stay disciplined. Let's go, Ryan. Let's go, bro. I need to get my coffee in. Once I get some caffeine through my system, I'll have the energy to put my hat forward and glasses on. I don't know why your latency was at 1 second. That's crazy. It's usually at 4 to 6 seconds. It's tough to get it any lower than that. I think you just had a glitch, bro. Which is a good glitch, but a glitch. What's your main watch for the day, Grizzly? I have been floating. We got CPI tomorrow as well. We got CPI tomorrow. Well, that'd be great. That would be great. I mean, right now the trend is up, everybody. So I would personally look for long side setups until we show otherwise. Days like today with big moves are days that I wait for the first 15 minutes. At least. I mean, I do that almost every day anyway, but we had such an aggressive move off of data that I don't want to get caught in something that isn't within my system. So, got my music playing. Here but sick. Team Bull for the win. Let's go. Hey, more y'all are liking the live. I see y'all. Thank you. Is it possible to use a prop account if I'm from Poland? Honestly, I don't know if Poland's on the banned list. It just depends on your country, bro. Every prop has their own set of banned countries for whatever reasons. Like Vietnam, for example, is banned for a lot. So there's a lot of malicious attacks that come from Vietnam. So they ban it. If the market hasn't reacted about Supreme Court news with tariffs already, it won't react. It's typically an initial reaction you see. Yeah, try from Vietnam. A lot of props won't let you buy from there. Or it's like, or the country's laws prohibit gambling, like gambling type practices, and a lot of those legislators look at trading as gambling. So, you know, things like that. Things like that, baby. Got the NASDAQ moving down still. Let's see. Let's go. No trades yet, but I'm manifesting it. Don't.
Great. 9 to 1. Price action is slightly low. So possible shorts trade. The long trade will be price action above 9.
Okay, let's see. I'm good, guys. I'm good. Made your stream a part of my daily routine, brother. Love the content. Appreciate you, KP. Beware, though. If you're joining the stream, I may bully you into getting your health right, being a disciplined trader, focusing on learning high-income skills like trading, and bettering your life as a whole. So if you're into those things, great. If not, and you don't want to be bullied into bettering your life, then probably not the stream for you. Just saying. And you might get discipline over dopamine stuck in your head over and over. That's a big possibility of being here. All right, let's see. Where's our, I got to mark out our London lows and highs. I didn't mark out pre-market high and low. And those got to be blue. They got to be blue. Like Gene's dog. Hey, Gene's here on time, everyone, by the way, just in case you were wondering. Got to give credit where it's due. Gene was early today. I like to give him crap when he's late, but that means we gotta show that love too when he's on time.
You know, I trade better when I'm late.
Do you?
Yeah, I do.
Bro, say he trades better when he's late. Let's make some dinero, Gene. You're funny, Gene. What is my daily bias? I don't rock with daily bias. I'll look at pre-market trend, and so that's up. So obviously I'll go in looking for more upside type setups. So we just sold off all that data. We sold off that whole data move. So now I'm just going to wait and see what the market gives us in terms of systematic entries and high probability entries. Come on. Don't been in what you want. We literally sold off that whole news pump. Entire news pump gone. You guys, as a reminder, Apex is back to 80% off. I didn't update my YouTube, but if you guys have been looking to get funded with Apex, we're back to 80% off Apex. You can use code Jdun for best possible discount. 80% off Apex is back. Yes. You get payout protection, 1 day pass, and you can trade up to 20 accounts at a time. And I'm just saying, CPI's tomorrow. I'm just saying, guys. I'm just saying. It's eval passing day, if you know what I mean. Didn't hear it from me. I'll put the link in my pinned comment on the live. Nope. You follow the rules of the Apex, you get paid, bro. They've paid over 500 million out. And when you use code Jdun, you get payout protection, meaning that if you get to your payout and you followed the rules and something gets jammed up about your payout, I will reach out to their upper management. I have contacts to all of their C-suites. I reach out and I say, hey, what's going on with this account? Here's the ticket number. This is how much the payout is. Can we get this fixed? If you followed the rules, you're going to get paid out. If you didn't follow the rules, there's nothing I can really do. But there was a guy named last name Savage in Discord. Some of you guys may be in there. He had 10,000 pending for a week. I reached out a few days later. He had it paid out. So I'm happy to help any of you guys with that. When you trade with Apex, when you use code Jdun, they're going to know. I got your bag, baby. I don't trade ETF. Only Apex, Tradeify, and Funded Futures Family. All right, our 15-minute range is in, everybody. 15-minute range is in. 15-minute range is in. It is set. Let's mark it out. Let's find ourselves a winner. Let's find ourselves a breadwinner. Got NASDAQ marked out. Let's mark out the S&P 500. Bang. Let's get it. Yep, you can use the link here. I'll post the link in chat again for you too. And you can use code Jdun. You can buy up to 20, or you can buy as many accounts as you want. You could buy 100 if you wanted to. It would take forever, but you can only trade 20 at a time. All right, Gene, will you come say hi to everyone quick? I gotta use the restroom. I got to pee earlier today. You get a damn racehorse. You.
Hello, everybody. Good morning, Grizzly. What's up, amigos? On TikTok. Honestly, guys, I'm gonna be super selective with the trades that I take. I took some trades on Asian session. I'm up like 1,300 already, so I'm kind of just chilling, waiting for good banger. I usually trade better too after 10 a.m. Eastern, 10:15. So might wait for that. I do often. I trade Asian session often.
You love it. You're good at Asia, bro.
Yeah, I am. But when you're trading Asia, you got to go for scalps.
You know what?
Drink your coffee.
Shut up. We're coming back. We're coming back with the hat forward and the glasses on, baby. We're in nerd dad mode. Let's find ourselves a banger, baby. Hats forward, glasses are on. I am no longer a blind man. I can see the light and us making some money today. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Yeah, there was an IPO today. I don't remember the ticker, but I did see there was a IPO. I did see there was an IPO. I'd love to just catch a nice big 100-point plus trend move. That'd be great. Yep, there's a 4-second delay on TikTok and 4 to 6 seconds on YouTube. Best place to be with no delay is inside Team Bull. There's 0-second delay on our Zoom link. So if you'd like to join Team Bull, you can always DM me on IG. DM me on IG at Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades. It's verified with 240. I've gained a lot of followers in the last week. Literally in the last week, from that from that video gained over 20,000, almost 30,000 followers. So there's a lot of new people on Instagram. I'd love for you to be one of them. You can always message me there. That shit's crazy. That video went parabolic. Literally, bro, 5.2 million views. We're changing the lives of a lot of people. It's pretty dope. What are you watching for, Grizzly Glock? Oh, those options you sold? Follow me. Grizzly in the longs. Grizzly's in the longs, everybody. Grizzly try longs. I like that reversal candle. I wish I had a bit higher volume, but looks good. So don't do it. I'm not entering. I don't like the volume. So look at this candle here. Okay. We look at the candle, right? We have lower volume. That's exactly why. We have lower volume here. And you're often to see reversals if you have lower volume on a reversal candle. Just literally like I was just saying. Oh my gosh, bro. Every time, man, that volume's lower. It always... These fuckers get you on fake outs, man. That was just rapido. Said nope. He said nope. Well, we still have London low to sweep too. No trades for me, guys. Just staying patient. If I don't get a trend entry, I'm not trading. If I don't get a systematic entry, I'm not trading, guys. It's very simple for me. You guys ask why aren't you taking this Jdun? Like, nope, just waiting. Dun, dun. Shut up, wonder you shipped me off to rehab, and this is going after my existence. No trades for me yet, guys. Just waiting. Staying patient. No trades for me yet. Just waiting. No trades for you, boy. Just be careful when we haven't had closes above or below the 15-minute lower high. Let us get some clear direction, some volume confirmation, and we'll get it. What we saw here, if this candle would have had higher volume, it would have showed me that we had a lot more aggressive participants there, right? That's why I like to look at volume. I like to see candlestick formation confirmation plus aggressive buyers and sellers, depending on which way we're going. So yes, does it make me more selective? Is my trading a bit more boring because of that? Absolutely, but it also keeps my win rate much higher. I'm sorry, my strategy is a bit more boring. How I trade is a bit more boring, but it comes with a much higher win rate. So I use VPA. Why are the fake Jduns following me, bro? Why? If you're gonna at least watch the stream and try to scam people, at least be inconspicuous, at least be incognito. Don't follow me, because I'm gonna block you right away. As a reminder, guys, I will never. What did you say before, Jada? I'm boring as hell, profitable as heaven. Yep. My trading is boring, but you know, these streams where we get to hang out, be a little more interactive, make things a bit more fun. I don't just ring off trades. My strategy is boring. It takes a little bit more patience, but comes with a higher win rate. Greg's in those shorts too, by the way, everybody, if you didn't hear that. Grizzly got stuffed out of his longs, and then Greg tried shorts up at like 21 or I think it was 21. I'm not in anything. Just letting you guys know. I'm not in anything. Ooh, we got the close below. Actually, you know what? What's that high here? 51. We're at 20. Technically speaking, the orb got this close. I'm going to watch for this pop up and see how. $52, $26, $30. So we got that close below the 15-minute low. I'm watching this price action carefully. I'm interested in a short entry. I just need a little bit more confirmation. Need a little bit more confirmation. We also literally touched that whole site number 900 to a T, so I'm just staying patient. No new trades for me yet. Let's see how this closes up here. 5 minute. No trades yet. No trades for me yet, guys. Waiting. We held that 900 well. Looking at shorts, we're also out basically at all-time highs, so I'm always a little more skeptical. Close. I'm not the biggest fan of all-time high trading, but we can still find some bangers. $54, $44, $34. Well, that volume looks horrible for the upside. We technically closed back above our 15-minute low, but that volume looks awfully suspicious to the upside. Like, we could, I always like to preface what I say with, we could do anything. We could go up, we could go down, but this is not something I would take for a reversal just based off the volume. This could be the low a day and we could V, right? It's technically possible, but as far as the system goes, I want to see more aggressive buying. This is pretty weak. So staying patient, guys. No trades for me yet. We're 30 minutes in. No trades for me. No trades for me. Just staying patient. No trades for me. Just staying patient, guys. They will not fake me out. Well, they could, but I'm going to do my best not to let that happen. Do my absolute best. I do it in a sense. I'm, for the most part, a technical trader, but for example, if CPI comes in super, super light, market likes it, I'm going to be looking for uptrend entries if the market digests that data well. Not seeing a lot on Bookmap either. Order flow is not showing us a ton either. If you're on the TikTok, you can see that here. Like, we're just in between. There's not a whole lot going in terms of order flow right now. So I'm always watching order flow too, guys. There's only so much I could talk about, not to confuse you guys, but we can talk about cars later. I got a few, but we'll talk about those later. I want to focus on finding a winning trade first. Once we make some money together, then we can have some fun, talk about some cars and stuff. It's weird, bro. It's weird. Yeah, it's weird. Oh, let's see. This volume's weird. Yeah, you guys are killing it on YouTube, everybody. We're growing every day. It just tells what we're doing is helping people. I appreciate all y'all being here with me every single day. I know my trading's a little bit more boring, but our win rate stays high. I also don't trade every day. I mean, most days I trade, but I'm a day trader, not a trade every day trader. If you're on the TikTok, I'm live on YouTube as well. You get full screen share. It's JDUN Trades, baby. Jdun Trades on YouTube. Tap in, hit that subscribe button, hit that like. See, like, this is a setup I would have never taken. Look how low this last volume was. That is insane. Look how just no signs of aggression in volume, just ripped. So we'll see if this candle closes stronger. We can potentially look for an uptrend entry. I'm okay with that. I just want to see some sort of confirmation we're getting a good trend entry. That's all I care about. I trade with the trend. If you're on TikTok, I know I'm seeing a lot of new faces. We have some videos going pretty parabolic, bringing new people in. Appreciate y'all hitting that follow button in the top left corner. We trade live every day. I give you my trades in real time, wins, losses, and draws. That was your bounce area, bro. Huh? What's up, Gene? Ooh, ES has a good orb forming. Higher volume too. That's technically something. If you like trading the orb, ES does look very good. We had higher volume. Risk is defined 65.54 below 551. That actually looks pretty good. We have London highs above, so that can be a good price target. I will watch ES for a pullback down. That does look good. There's not a lot of risk. Only about $3,000 or 3,000. About 3 points worth of risk. 5.5. Call it around this like 5.55 or even 5.56 down to 5.52. There's 4 points if you take a higher risk entry, but in here on ES, the orb looks decent. I just want to see a bit of a pullback. Hey, y'all got to quit arguing in the chat. If you guys want drama, go watch Fox News or CNN. Or go to Facebook. If you want to make money, then watch my stream. You want negativity, go look somewhere else. You ain't finding it from me. You feel me? We're here to make money. There's already too much negative crap out in the world on every social media platform. Here's a place I want you to be able to come and focus on getting money and leveling up and being inspired to better your life. Well, let's see if we can get this pullback on ES. Let's see if we can get this pullback on ES. Again, I'm in no rush to take anything. Greg tried some longs on NQ, but I am not in anything. Okay, guys, this is ES on the TikTok screen. You guys can see here, this is our 15-minute high. So when I'm looking for that 15-minute high retest, this is what I'm talking about. We have this candle up here with increasing volume, all right? 5-minute candle close above the 15-minute high, the first 15-minute range. So I want to see a pullback into this area with stops below this candle and then a move up, ideally testing London high up here. Doesn't look like we're going to get the retest I want. So again, I'm in no rush. But that's what I'm looking for on ES. On ES. The ES orb is playing out nice so far. Right at the 50% retracement too on NQ. Woo! Okay. Not seeing a lot in terms of bookmap. An order flow to staying patient. That's the biggest problem that most traders have is they can't stay patient. They can't wait for A+ setups. I'm confident in finding a winner today. It's just probably going to take me a bit longer. I got another hour and a half. I'm going to trade for 2 hours today. Going to trade for 2 horas. Is that 2 hours, Gene? 2 horas?
Yep.
Hey, I'm getting better. 2 horas. Yep, code Jdun for Apex Trader funding. If you guys want to get funded and trade without your own capital, you don't have to go open a trading account. You can go to apextraderfunding.com and use code Jdun for 35% off. You can trade with their capital. Right now, a 50K account's like $20-some. Super cheap. apextraderfunding.com. Make sure you use code Jdun. You can buy up to 20 accounts. Though I don't recommend you doing that, especially if you're a beginner. I could sit here and tell you, go buy 20 accounts. You do it. Obviously, it helps me out when you guys use my code, but that wouldn't be in your best interest. I recommend you trade like 1 to 5 to start. If you can't get a payout with 1, you're not going to get a payout with 20. So I know that kind of sucks to hear, but that's just what it is, you know? So I recommend 1 to 5. Stay patient. Learn without blowing your own capital. Obviously, you're going to have skin in the game buying funded accounts, but it's less, you know? Yeah, Greg stopped out, I believe. Let me ask. Greg, did you stop out of your trade?
Yeah, he stopped.
Oh. I didn't hear. No trades for me yet. Sitting flat. Sitting flat on the day. Sitting flat on the day. Bends it in the AO. My preferred trading platforms for you guys are Tradeify, Apex, and FFF. If you're on YouTube, you can go to my description and see that it's wrong, though. It's actually 80% of it. 80%. It's not 50%. Come on, give me something good. Patience has saved me thousands over the past couple weeks. Yep. And when you join the stream every day, that's my main goal of it, is to keep you guys patient and disciplined. Prop firms hate that, but your bank accounts are going to love it. Up 2K, nice. That looks like a strong candle on NQ. We'll see how we react. Ideal situation right now is we get some sort of confirmation for an uptrend, a small pullback, and then we go test London highs. That would be ideal for me. I'm here live every single day. Yep. All you got to do is hit that subscribe. I recommend if you're on YouTube, you keep your bell icon on. And if you're on TikTok, you just hit that follow button in the top left corner. We do this every day, baby. If you don't want to hear me scream discipline over dopamine and tell you to stay focused and stay patient and trade smart and don't be an idiot, then this probably isn't the stream for you. If you like calm, collected, and systematic trading streams, then you're probably going to like it here. I think you'll make it a habit to come every day. Is that just it gonna be? Oh, all right. Looks like damn Asia session right now. We got a decent amount of, not a lot, but a few sellers up here at 980. We also have CPI data tomorrow too, so that can give us some sort of move as well. Good. Not saying it will, but there's a very high probability. Oh, whoops. We're right in the middle too. If we do our Fibonacci tool from high to low, we're literally right at this 50% retracement. We're right in the area of decision making. I appreciate you, Jonathan, what he said. We're live every single day for 2 hours, at least. Typically, at least the first 2 hours of market open from 9:30 a.m. Eastern time to 11:30 a.m. This looks like it wants to go up. I'm starting to favor longs a bit. I'll let you guys know if I take any trades. I need more confirmation, but holding this made a slightly higher low. We'll see. I'm slightly favoring long still, but I need a little more confirmation. Slightly favoring the long side. My daily bias right now is to the upside until proven otherwise. That being said, I'm not in anything. I'm not in anything. No, I know, I know, I know. Yep, it looks like a buy to me too. It's a little risky for me right now. It would go against my system of 5-minute closes. Like if I wanted to just buy with more risk, I'd take longs and I'd keep my stops below 945, but it wouldn't be as systematic as I'd like it to be. I'd be basically going off of the fact that we failed that downside, had an aggressive impulse candle up, held midway through that candle, and now I'd like to target that 15-minute high. But I don't have all the confirmations for my system that I typically like to see. That's the only issue. But for what it's worth, that's my thought process right now. A lot of times my thought process when I don't enter ends up being pretty accurate, so we'll see. Just like the Jdun gym indicator. I'm not in anything, guys. Not in anything. Oh, Gene, you like anything, bro? See anything you like?
No.
No? No trades for you today?
No.
Just that Asian session trade?
No.
Yeah, you better not. This man Gene made some bread in Asian. I said, "You're not trading today, buddy." Looks like we have a slight flag going on. We'll see. Got a little flag action for him. A little flag action. Little flag action, baby. Little flag action. Flag on the play. No flags for me. I can't have a flag on the play if I haven't entered any trades yet or any plays yet. You know what I've been really liking when I'm working in the afternoons, guys, is this Neuro Gum. I got this new Neuro Gum. Just for energy and focus. I've been ripping this stuff. It's fire. Little afternoon caffeine action. Fuel the grind. Oh, yeah. It's great. I like it. Yeah, it's great. Still think we go up. I say that without a position, so I mean, for what that's worth, but. I mean, you could take it in the mornings too. That's funny. I just put them in my Amazon cart. I mean, you could take it in the morning too. I like coffee in the morning. Sounding like infomercials on the Truman Show. And let me tell you about this. Just this volume sucks, bro. That's my issue. Like if we would have had aggressive volume in this last 5 minute, maybe a pullback to like 960, keep stops below 945. That's a setup I'd be willing to take. But we don't have that, the volume I'd like to see for my system. I used to take NeuroGum before my trading sessions. Def put me in a flow state while trading. Yup. Anything you got to do to get in your flow state. For me, that's going to get coffee from the coffee shop and getting out of the house. Like, obviously, I'm a trader, so I work from home. I have an office, and by the way, at the office, I'm trading with 16 Bull students in person this Friday. So on the live stream, you guys are going to see me trading with my students. I got to check my DMs. We have 4 of the 6 spots filled for Friday live trading. I think I have a lot more DMs, too, to go through. So if you're in Colorado and you want a shot to trade live with myself and Gene at the office on Friday, you can DM me on here in Discord. I got 4 of the 6 spots filled. If you want to trade with me, yep. Tyler's locked in. My boy Tyler's locked in. Yes, sir. Yep, if you're in Colorado, tap in. Come trade with me live on Friday in person. In person, baby. We'll be trading on screens right next to each other. Don't. So we got that pullback to 960 like we were talking about, right? You can see that here. But the volume wasn't higher, so therefore I didn't take it. Oh, you tried longs? I like the idea too. I haven't taken it, but if I were to take a trade, it'd be longs. I have not taken any trades yet. Oh, whoops. Yeah, Jonathan, you should come out from Wyoming, bro. Come trade with us on Friday. We got spots. I got a 8,000 square foot office. We got 6 computers ready that are internet connected. No, it's terrible. Come on. If you'd like to trade live with me in person, you have to be a member of Team Bull. So you can DM me on Instagram if you'd like to join. It's JDUN Trades on IG. That's the only place that I answer DMs, everybody. It's the only place for your safety. It's verified with 248,000 followers. It's pretty cool. I mean, what other traders bringing out their community to trade with them? I don't know of anybody. We've done it quite a few times. Five-day win streak with JDZ. Let's go. Much love, John. Let's go, bro. No trades for me yet. I still like the longs, but I just look at this volume. We have decreasing volume on these moves up. I need a strong trend-setting candle. Yeah, Dusty, right? Yeah, Rake's cool. Rake's dope. Good friend of mine for a long time. Let's go. Let's see here. We're up so far, 2 racks on the week. 2 racks on the week. Didn't take any trades on Monday, so we're up $2,300 for the week. Didn't take any trades Monday. We'll see what today gives us. Been with Team Bull for 5+ years, building the path to freedom every day. Appreciate you, T-Rob. Much love, bro. As a reminder, guys, all the best prop firms to get funded and paid out with are in my YouTube description. Apex is 80% off using code Jdun. Tradeify 35% off using code Jdun. And FFF is up to 40% off right now using code Jdun. I will always do my best to help you guys get paid out and build your own live account so you don't have to trade with prop firms anymore. My goal is to get you paid out by prop firms so you don't have to use prop firms. Simple. It's not what you hear from most people that talk about these things, but it's what you hear from me because it's the truth. So right now, we're just waiting, guys. We're just waiting. Technically speaking, every second the market's open, there's opportunity up or down. But is it good opportunity? In my opinion, no. I'm very selective of my setups. Being very selective today, guys. Just waiting. I feel like it's going to be one of the... If it's one of those days, and if you've traded with me for a while, you know this. When we grind up on lower volume, that is my least profitable trading setup. I do not trade slow grinds up on lower volume well. I'm fine with trading the upside. When we have slow grinds up with these lowering volume candles, I know after 9 years of experience that is not my edge. I don't trade it well. So I'm going to take that and trade and act accordingly. Holy shit, ES is really falling. Let's see if we get this orb right here. see, we're getting closer. So if we get this Aubrey test around this 554, right around here, I don't love this candle at all right here. This aggressive reversal. I'll still watch how we react down here if we can flush this and rebound. $555, 50 cents off. I'm only looking for longs right now. Only looking for longs. If we get, two aggressive trend-setting candles to the downside, then that changes that prerogative, right? We can start looking for maybe a reversal, but right now that's not what I'm looking for. I know, guys, my discipline and patience and my strategy is boring. I'm sorry. What's good? Timus, I've not made any money yet, but I haven't lost any. So I'd say that's a net win, right? I haven't made any money, but I haven't lost any. And how I look at it, guys, is that I don't care about today. And by today, I say that as, subjectively, meaning that I care about weeks, months, and years. I was listening to Hormozy speak for 4 hours yesterday. For 4 hours as part of the $18,000 program I bought, right? I bought his whole marketing and $100 million blueprints program. And he made a good point that you got to start thinking in terms of thousands and not ones and tens. When you're thinking in terms of ones and tens, you're thinking about today. When you're thinking about thousands, you're thinking long term. So if I don't take a trade today, that's okay because I have thousands of more days to trade. But if I end up blowing it today and being an idiot and crushing my confidence and crushing my P&L and crushing my account, I'm not going to have that opportunity. This divergence is weird. We could see this bounce down here. I'm just not fully sold yet. I'm only partially sold. I could see this bounce down here, but I'm not fully sold yet. We missed longs again? What do you mean? All right, we're down to this 15-minute high orb on ES. See how it reacts. This is why I was waiting, guys. Now, if we get some sort of wick up here, right? We wick up and we close above this 15-minute high, then I would likely try longs, because we only have a 2-3 point risk, right? Probably 3 in reality, 3 to 3.5 points. We got one more minute till this next 5-minute candle closes. Come on. You watching the market, Gene? You said you watching the market. What do you think's going to happen here?
Honestly, I think we're gonna fall.
I think we're going to fall.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't long this candle either.
It goes 15 minutes, bro. We just look like we're trying to find sellers to grab liquidity and then push.
Even if we end up bouncing here, this goes against my system 2 increasing trend setting volumes to the downside. Volume candles to the downside. I can't personally long this, and I also have a hard time shorting it too with the trend. So just waiting. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. My biggest day ever is 88,800. I've had a 60,000 day, I've had a $70,000 day, but my biggest day is 88,800. Damn, NASDAQ is really leading the way. This divergence is crazy. Halfway tempted to say shorts are looking better with this failure of this 15-minute high. It's tempting. Then do it again or it's all talk. You know what? You're right, bro. I'll just go and nuke a trade right now and make $88,000 in a day just to prove that it's not all talk. What? If you're not up $88,000 today, it doesn't matter. Bro, what? Sorry, guys. I'm not up 80 grand today. Maybe tomorrow. I'll try my best tomorrow, bro. I got a $500,000 account in front of me with $2 million of buying power. Should I just full send it? If I had to look for something on ES right now, it would likely be... I mean, honestly, I almost have to say shorts. We closed below this 15-minute high. We have 2 aggressive candles. I just can't... We haven't really had any clear trend today. I mean, we had this move up, but it was on lower volume. So, not my ideal setup. Figure out. Don't. See, this is what kills traders, guys. This is exactly what kills traders, is needing to force trades without A+ setups. Got to be able to stay patient. Stay patient, Team Bull. Feels a little dumpy to me too. I just can't fully get behind either move right now. We have CPI tomorrow as well, guys. We have CPI tomorrow as well. We're holding these 4-hour previous resistance turn support at 900. As long as we hold that, we may keep trending up. If we can break down 900 aggressively, that could change. Hey, Ashley. See you're from Colorado. That's cool. Bullish and bearish means bullish means we want to see things keep moving on up. Bearish means down. We want to see things go down. You want to know the cheat code to pass evals with CPI? You guys want me to get on live with you tomorrow and stream CPI? Do you need me to get on and help you pass some evals, guys? Do I need to get on an hour early and help y'all get funded? Gonna make me wake up even earlier. Dun-dun. This divergence is crazy. I personally think ES looks a bit, well, both of them don't look great either way, but looks a bit better for shorts. No trades for me yet, everybody. No trades for me. Oh, the price is right. Oh. Called that reversal. Well, unfortunately, calling things doesn't get me paid. Execution does. And I have not executed anything today. I don't think Grizzlies Irish could bite us yet. He's still here. He probably just watching. Bro, sneaky. Tesla's looking strong right now. Maybe we could find a setup on Tesla. Most of y'all don't trade options anymore, but you do.
So we hold the options if anybody's still in. Let them push up as long as they will today or get entries back up.
People forget Team Bull used to only trade options. That's literally all we used to trade. There was not, we didn't even mention NQ or ES, bro. Recommending prop firms to beginner traders isn't the move. How? Genuinely, how? I recommend them because you can learn for less. The flip side is that you fund your own live account, which is fine, might I add, which is fine, which is great. You want to end up on a live account. But if you could pay $25 for a challenge to learn the basics and learn how to trade versus funding your own account with the margin requirements, you need at least $2-3 grand. What if you blow that $2-3 grand? I'd rather have you trading much less of your own capital with evals and funded accounts than blowing your capital on your own live. And why would they paper trade? I'm not trying to be mean, but like think about it with paper trading. You can lose $1 million paper trading. It don't matter. It does nothing. I want you to have skin in the game. Even if you pay $20 for a prop firm account, that's $20 that you spent your valuable and hard-earned time on. If you paper trade, you can go nuke 100 contracts and lose $10 million, and it don't matter because it's not real. At least when you're blowing prop firm challenges, you say, wow, like there's a dent in your bank account. It's not as much, but it's still, you got skin in the game. And I want you to develop your emotions and get skin in the game sooner than later. That's why I never recommend paper trading. The only time I recommend paper trading is if you guys are learning how to use your platform. I should, bro. People keep telling me that, you know? I should. That's what a lot of the big dogs do that have a lot of income, a lot of capital.
I do pretty well, man. I average between 800 to 1200 a week. You know, you get caught in the sometimes I get more if I'm feeling risky, but you get caught up in the holding the shares occasionally slows down the process some, but it's part of the strategy.
You're good at selling options, bro. I mean, you've been consistently making money doing it for a while.
Yeah. The biggest month was like 30K for me. But I got GD in on it that month, and it was a wild ride.
Did you?
Yeah, we had some risky. We were selling cash secure puts on AMC. It was wild. Biggest loss from selling options? Not for sure.
You know, our order flow is there's nothing on Bookmap right now. I mean, nothing. We have some pretty aggressive sell orders. Liquidity sitting up like 24.0, 25 a ways away. But besides that, you never really had traded SPX, huh, Grizzly?
SPX, I never sold options.
Oh. I gotta start. I gotta start wearing my Garmin. I bought a Garmin watch. I honestly wanted to track my workouts, but you know what I wanted to do too? I wanted to see when I took trades if my heart rate was raising. So I swear, like I'll take some trades, and as much as I'm like calm, cool, and collected, like I swear my heart starts beating a little quicker. You feel me? Yeah, I just wanted to actually measure it, like looking at my watch, enter a trade, see if my heart rate goes up a little bit. Has anyone ever tried it in chat? Any of y'all wear an Oura ring or a Garmin? Does your heart rate move when you enter a big position? Mr. Danny, what's up? They all big money, yup. Nope. Have not. Do you still trade options? I wear a Garmin, and yes. Oh well, that's hilarious. Goes from 65 to 87. Went from 74 to 101 yesterday, bro. I knew it. But I bet here's a great example. But I bet when you're paper trading, you're not entering 10 minis and your heart rate ain't going up paper trading. And if it is, then we got to work. Our issues are deeper, bro. If you're getting your heart rate up paper trading, then we got serious psychological work to do, which is okay. But you got to get it done. Because at that point, it's likely it stems from an ego issue. You don't want to lose any trades, whether it's real or fake. You feel me? Yup. You know what Wednesday is, baby? Leg day. Wednesday's a leg day, baby. Dude, what is... What do you say, bro? I know. I don't know. I gotta check it. I'm not wearing my Garmin right now. Gene, will you come take over the stream? I'm gonna put my Garmin on. I want to see what my heart rate is, and if I take a trade, I want to see if it goes up. The people want to see you, bro. Your friends miss you in Team Bull.
I was just on Brandon's stream too.
How'd Brandon do?
He didn't take it, or he took a small video trade.
Did he?
Yeah.
Individual?
Yep.
All right, everyone, be nice to Mr. Gene. I'll be back in a sec.
Hello, my friends. Dude, this market is annoying. No mames, Vinny. Did you order some merch, bro? Yes, I am in India. Damn it. I had a feeling it was broke. Let me check something real quick. Well, I'm sitting here with my friends. Man, I got crazy hair today. Let's go, bro. Appreciate it. Do that head movement like this. Only shitty NQ, bro. Literally. I'd rather own a Lambo. I live in Colorado, bro. We don't have no bodies of water for a yacht. Okay, I will teach you to not be stupid like me. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, here it is. De Niro Trades. Hit me up. Ask me any questions. Ask me, anything. I mean, I'm not as advanced as Mr. Jacob, but I'll do my best to help you guys.
What up, dog?
What up?
Moving down still?
We're starting to.
Barely.
We're starting.
All right, folks. Here's the deal. We're taking off the rollie. We're taking off the presidential band day date. And we're putting on the heart tracking Garmin, baby. The heart rate tracking Garmin. Let's go. Let's get some analytics going on the heart rate and health. Come on. I always have the hardest time putting this on. This damn rubber band. Come on. Okay. Oh yeah, here we go. I got my dad watch on, everybody. I got my dad watch on. Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, we're checking the heart rate. Let's see. No, my resting heart rate is 84. Is that good or bad? Is 84 good or bad? Well, now it's at 77. Never mind. It's at 70. I think I had to adjust. It's at 70. 71. All right, how about that? Is that good or bad? Now it's at 69. Maybe it's because I ran up the stairs. All right. We'll see how it goes if we enter a trade. I'm gonna be here for 35 more minutes. I'm gonna be here for 35 more minutes trading with y'all, Team Bull. Yeah, I was running up and down the stairs. That's probably why. Oh. Mine stays around 90, but I take Adderall all day. Man, I used to take Vyvanse back when I was in high school and college, and bro, if you've ever taken Vyvanse, dude, that shit is crazy. We did. Has anyone here ever tried Vyvanse? That shit had me feeling like Albert Einstein, bro. Developing the Pythagorean theorem type shit. Oh my gosh, dude. I haven't taken that since college, man. For my almost 2 years of college and high school. Literally, call me Einstein, bro. I felt like my IQ went up 500 points. It's no joke. You just literally just won't eat all day. Just won't eat all day. If I took that, we'd be trading for 8 hours a day. Probably taking 50 trades. It literally is a weight loss drug for real. No trades today. $0.00 P&L. I reinvest all my trading profits. I buy a lot of Bitcoin too. I've bought Bitcoin for a long time. I've been begging y'all to buy Bitcoin for years. Adderall's have you feeling like Michael Burry in 08. Right, bro? Literally, dude. Right? Literally. IQ just shoots. What is this price action, dude? Why are we barcoding? Good time if you're in here to join Team Bull, right, Vinny? Facts. Yeah, and if you want to join Team Bull, there's no lag on our Zoom live stream. We have a full community of 75,000 plus traders. We're tight knit. We're family. You can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades to join. That's the only place I answer DMs. I'll put it in chat too. DM me. Go to your IG, type in Jdun Trades, and you can DM me there. It's verified with 248,000 followers. I've been thinking about getting a new car too. I want to have a daily, or not a daily drive, but like I want to have a more drivable Lambo that the Revuelta. I'm just really trying to keep the miles low. Because those more expensive cars are so sensitive to miles, just like SVJs. What do you guys think on a Huracan? Do we get a GT3 RS? What do we do? We have the humble Honda. We got the Raptor R. From a social media perspective, too, you got to think, I use my cars for a lot of things. I use them for fun. I also use them for marketing, right? What do you guys see? What's the public sentiment? I feel like GT3RSs do really well on social media these days. Like they're just cool. People like them. They're into them. You know. What do y'all think? The thing is, like everyone has a freaking Huracan now, bro. All these course sellers that have never actually showed anything can all go and get a Huracan and just lease it. I love Huracans. They're great drivers. They're super fun. I didn't message you on TikTok, bro. I don't message anyone. I'll never message you first, even on Instagram. Not really, bro. Just barcoding. Just barcoding. Don't. GT3 RSs. Damn, brothers, did that just come? That's weird. Yo, Gene. Come here. G-Wagon. We have a G550 at the house, too. Why did that come this morning? Oh, 1 second.
Hello, Betty.
Gene drives a Mexican car. What is
I
it?
do.
A Jeep? Are Jeeps Mexican cars?
Yeah, pretty much. I drive a Silverado that's slammed. I'm Mr. Jiggle. Gene wagon. That's pretty
The
good.
Gene Wagon.
Yeah.
You got a pretty. I like your car a lot too. Your Cobra, Grizzly.
Yeah, your Cobra's dope. I really. I'm just kidding. I don't really like low riders. I'm not from California.
Bro said Hellcat.
I like top steps, Hellcats, and Trackhawks. I like your truck. You got a Ram, right?
Yeah, I got the.
I like Rams. The only thing I don't like about them is they get that Mopar tick, like my Jeep has.
Dude, this shit would be hard, bro.
Oh yeah,
Tell me this wouldn't be hard.
that'd be dope.
Bro, this would be stupid hard, bro.
Dude, I like Porsches.
Tell me this wouldn't be stupid hard,
I
bro.
used to hate on Porsches until I drove one, and I only drove a Panamera, and I loved it. They're nice cars.
Bro, tell me this shit on screen share wouldn't be hard, Team Bull. Tell me this wouldn't be dumb hard to mix with the lamb chop.
You gotta get it the same color though.
Tell me that wouldn't be absolutely filthy. That is so nasty, bro.
That's what I get to drive, guys.
Oh, man. That is gangster. That would be gangster. Like, just ultimate level gangster. Look at that puppy.
Black it out, make it a Batmobile. That'd be dope.
That is nasty, bro. The move down on ES is working out nicely so far. You saw that reverse orb. Personally, I mean, honestly, looking back at it with these two candles, I likely should have taken shorts in this pop up. I just didn't. You out of here, bro? All right, guys. Grizzly leaving indicator is going to fire.
Yes.
Then it rips. Just rips. Bye, bro. Peace. Here, TikTok. This is what I was talking about. Tell me this shit ain't hard, bro. Tell me this ain't hard. Like, imagine that next to the lamb chop. That would be absolutely filthy, bro. Absolutely filthy. Tell me that wouldn't just be so sick. Tell me that wouldn't just be absolutely filthy. Right? That'd be so sick, bro. But the thing is, my business is green, guys. My color is green. All right, what about red? I just don't know if I vibe with this as much, guys. I mean, that's dope, but wow, it restricted my live on TikTok, so we brought up Google. What? That's so lame. Well, I guess we got the crowd we got in here for today. It's not going to show our live to any more people. That's wild. That is wild. That car is so sick. I took a trade yesterday, guys. I called a really nice trade for you guys yesterday. No, it won't ban me. It whenever you show unoriginal content, I guess I don't know. It's super weird. It's very odd. But as a reminder, if you're new here, make sure you tap in if you're on TikTok and hit the top left corner. Hit that follow button. If you're on YouTube, I appreciate you hitting that subscribe. We're growing every day. Let's see what... Dude, the problem with GT3RS is they're so expensive, bro. Like, ridiculous. They do hold value. We don't buy Ferraris on this side, baby. Sorry. I'm Lambo. Lambo for life. Yep, you can get some pretty cheap evals right now with both Tradeify, FFF, and Apex. You can use code Jdun for best possible discounts. Yep. There's just no deals. You don't find a deal on a GT3 RS. Don't. What's up, Gene? Don't. What do you guys think? There is a strategy to passing evals on CPI. Again, it doesn't work. It didn't work for non-farm payrolls. It would have worked today for PPI, surprisingly. PPI doesn't usually give us that big of a move, but right before you set your bracket orders, 10 points above or below, you just need you need a 40-point move, basically, for one-day pass. If you guys would like me to, I can get on early tomorrow and help y'all pass. Would you like that, Team Bowl? It's not guaranteed, but if you're tired of blowing evals and you'd rather, put a little more risk on to try for CPI, then happy to come on. Just full disclosure, if the strategy don't work, don't yell at me. It would have worked today for PPI. You would have passed a lot of evals to the upside off PPI. But you never know, because if it gives you that false move and then the trend, you get cooked. So I'd say what we back tested at, Gene? How many times did it work?
It had like 80 or 90%.
It had it was between an 80 to 90% success rate between NFP and CPI. So there is times where it doesn't work, just so you're aware. But it does work a lot.
PPI is like really where it doesn't work.
But today it did. Isn't that crazy?
And non-farm payrolls too. The best chances you have is with CPI.
Yep, CPI is the best chance. CPI is the highest probability. Don't know. Don't know. Don't. All right, fine. We'll get on early tomorrow. We're going to get on very early. We're going to have a long stream tomorrow. I'll be on with y'all inside Team Bowl at 8:20 a.m. 10 minutes prior to CPI. We're going to be on early. We're going to make tomorrow a long stream, which means I got to be to the coffee shop by 6. I wait an hour to drink coffee, which means I got to wake up. Well, I've been waking up at 5:30. So, yep. I'll be live on TikTok and YouTube as well. Just make sure you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner so you don't miss it. But if you guys want access to Team Bowl, you can always DM me on IG. If you guys have a Discord account, you should at least be inside the free Discord. There's a lot of value in there. You never have to pay $1, and there's still a lot of value. There is a premium upgrade that if you get enough value, I'd love for you to be a part of, but certainly not necessary. Wait an hour for the adenosine levels. Yep, man. Jimmy Fines knows. Jimmy's a smart man. I always wait at least an hour for caffeine. Let my adenosine balance out. So if you guys want to trade CPI tomorrow, if you guys want to try the eval passing strategy, make sure you guys load up your Apex, Tradeify, or FFF accounts with one-day pass. You can use code Jdun for the best possible discount for 80% off. I'll do my absolute best. Yep. If you guys go to apextraderfunding.com, you can use code Jdun. I'll put the link in YouTube as well. Sir, make sure you guys have your accounts before tomorrow morning. You don't want to be scrambling to buy them tomorrow morning. Start your day stressful. I don't ever want you starting your day stressful. It's honestly looking like, damn, the ES orb worked out really nicely. Damn. The reverse orb. It's NASDAQ looks like it wants to break down too. It's NASDAQ looks like it wants to break down. Yep.
Dead in the water.
There she goes. Let's see how this 5-minute candlestick closes. And ES, that would have been the trade. That's the one we missed, was ES. Got 3 minutes. Oh, let's see. We got 15 more minutes. Team Bowl. The ES was the one that got away today. ES is moving much cleaner right now. Oh, damn, another chart watcher. Well, what should I be? If I'm not a chart watcher, what am I? Should I be trading the chart at every second? That's what I do every day. I haven't taken a trade today, but yes, you should have been here yesterday. Banger. All right, let's see here if this confirms. If it confirms, I'll take shorts in the next pop-up. $10 for 10, not quite. If we confirm this candle and pop up, I'll try shorts. Starting to break structure a little bit. Right, come on, let's see. 2, 1. It's the high, the 70, 40. Come on, give us a little pop up. into like 50 to 60. I only like the shorts, guys. I only like the shorts. ES got the close below, and it's looking like NASDAQ wants to do the same. Just want to see a small pop up here for a better entry. Then I'd love to ride the shorts down.
Oh man,
What up?
it's just those shorts, bro.
I know.
I don't know. Did I tell you or did I tell Brandon?
You didn't tell me nothing.
I told Brandon, man. Told him the shorts are gonna come.
What's my heart rate watching this?
What's your heart rate, Jacob? I can't check mine.
That's only at 72. We haven't taken any trades though. Come on, give us a pop up. Let's see a pop up into here. Come on, go trap some buyers for us. This doesn't look like it's going to give us a pop up, fellas. It's not looking great. This looks like it wants that low. I just want to see a little move up for a better entry. Only thing I'm watching for is shorts, Team Bull. Only thing I like is shorts. I have no interest in longs whatsoever down here. None. Come on. $40. Let's go up to $50. Starting a small size of shorts, guys. Up at 30. I'd rather see 40 to 50. I mean, ideally I'd like to see 50, but this looks like it has a little gas in the tank for a scalp up. Or scalp down, excuse me. Anywhere in this area we're at right now is a higher risk entry. If you want a little better entry that may or may not come, wait for like 50. Around 50. Then you have 20 points of risk. Anywhere here 30 to 40 is higher risk entry. Ideally, we get like between this fair value gap up here to 40, around 50. I'm just not entirely sure if we're going to get it or not. So we'll see. There we go. There we go. Like to see more. Come on. Come on. You got like a 10, 15 point move down there depending on your entry, but I wanted to see more. Heart rate. 77. It did go up a little bit. That's crazy. I don't like what this candle's doing. We went down to 23. I wanted to see us go down to like 900 area. I still like the setup. But I haven't added any. So if we get a strong 5-minute close, I'll just close my I'll close my small position for a loss. If I like what I see, I'll add shorts around that 50 to 60 area with stops above 70. I still think the best area here is 50 to 60. So then your biggest risk is we break structure and we move above 70 and you stop out. Still, if you're on screen share, guys, I still think this looks like the best possible setup. Let me draw it out for y'all. Oh, wait, it's not in here. Inside this whole zone right here. So then if we go above 970, you just know that the setup's not intact anymore. Let's go down to 50. If we get the rejection here and get a low a day, that's a really, really nice trade. I don't trade ICT. No. Let's see if that 950 ends up being the reject. Don't love that both those 5-minute candles. I also don't love that we're back inside the 15-minute range, but you can tell that if we reject here, this is the spot for a lower high. You'd like to see lower. If we reclaim this 970, then you know it's just we're likely going to keep trending on up. So that's what I look for when I trade. It's just good, high probability entry spots. Only trade I like so far with this aggressive selling. These 2 5-minute reversal candles don't look fantastic, but the setup's still intact. Come on. Let's see if we can push down further, guys. Come on. If you guys got that better entry up here, guys, you're up almost 20 points. If you guys got the better entry up here towards our zone, you guys are up almost 20 points. Come on. So now if we don't end up selling this off, we'll know we had the right idea. Setup just isn't going to work out. You'd like to see that continue. You'd like to see that selling pressure continue, us break below 930s, and then go test the bottom of this wick. That's what you'd like to see. If we don't get that, then it's not valid, but hey, let's go deport. That's what I'm talking about. I said deport and Gene started laughing. No, is it deport? Like D-P-O-R-T. You're stupid, bro. You're dumb.
You would think that word would scare me. This trade's gonna cook.
Think it might. If you guys got that better out up there, manage how you see fit, guys.
All you need it to do is crack below this 20.
We crack below 23, we're eating. Come on.
Give it to me. Or give it to you.
That second ad was nice up there. I did enter, yep. I walked through this entire trade. Come on, let's get more. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and move my stops down to just above red. I'm going to move them to 47. Let's see if we can get more, guys. Let's go. Come on, break these lows. Better ad is absolutely printing. If you averaged in with the better ad and the first ad, printing up like 15 points. Better ad, you're up over 20. Let's see if we can get, I want to see us break these lows. I want to see these break these lows of these 20s. Come on. I won't be upset if you trim. Take it. It's been a really slow day. So if you want to take it closer to 1-to-1, I'm okay with that. I'd like to see us flush this 20 and go down and touch 900. But again, you have a chance to lock in your gains too. With how the action's been today, I wouldn't blame you. I'm actually gonna de-risk this a tiny bit here too. I got my average down with that second ad at 47. I'd like to see us get a bigger trim at like 900. That's my price target for this. I just haven't trusted price action today. So de-risking down here, would like to see a nice trim at 900. If you guys got that, if your average is way up here, you're sitting really nice. Come on, break 920. Because it's a whole psych number, there's a good probability we have some support there. You can wait for 890, that's okay. Come on, push it down. I'm going to put my stops down at 40, 42. I did. I took some risk off on that push down. So I don't love how price action's been today. I'd like to see us just continue to move down. Well, if we get down to 900, it'll be a good trade. If I get stopped out at break even, it'll be below average. I'd like to see us continue to trend on down below this 15-minute low, below like 918. We have CPI tomorrow, so I hope we keep moving down here. You can close it green if you'd like. It's up to you. I have my hard stops in. I'd love to see us go down and retest those lows. That would be great. You might be right. Maybe you do need to hop out. You can hop out green right now if you want. It's not green by much, but you're green. The stops are set at break even after that second ad. Oh, almost there. Hard stops are at 42, guys, for mine. All in the trade break even, slightly green, but break even after that second ad. So I'd like to see more down. We probably will get it, but with how the market's been today and with CPI tomorrow, I don't really trust it. It's also past when I was supposed to be done trading. Heart rate's only at 75. That's good. Went up a little, but not too much. A few points. All right, guys, I'm out of this trade. We got hit at 42. I still think we could keep going down. We got a nice move from this 950 area all the way down to 23. So not great, but it's all right. We'll take it. I still think the setup here can be valid, but I'm personally not gonna participate. I'll take my break even. I'll take my break even on the day. I'll take it. Well, technically a little green, but as far as execution goes, break even. It's been a very choppy day back and forth. A very choppy day back and forth. They're going to sit here and burn. Damn, Tesla ended up going crazy. Damn. I was watching that earlier. I should have kept watching it. To take another trade. Don't. Don't. Don't know. Still lower volume on that green candle, but no new trades for me. We'll take what we got today. Rod and Nimma drop top. I gotta eat soon, Mr. Gene. Then I'll hit the gym early.
Yes, sir.
Eat and hit the gym. Rod and Nimma drop top. Nimma drop top. We got stopped. Two, and then to the three, to the four. Do I ever trade oil? Nope. Not really. There's lots of fake me's. Lots of fake me's, guys. Don't get scammed. Don't get scammed, everybody. You're going to get hundreds of DMs from fake me's. They're not me. Mr. Gene. Hello, Mr. Gene.
How is Team Bull doing?
Team Bull's chilling. We're vibing. Until we break and hold above 970, I still like shorts. If we end up building a base above that, then we'll likely keep the uptrend going. This is kind of our do or die area right here. Do or die area up here. We'll see. It's definitely thinking about moving and squeezing up. That's why I follow my plan. If I get a trim of some sort off, I almost always put my stops to break even. Almost always. Almost always. As a reminder, everyone, I will be live tomorrow at 6 or at 8:20 Eastern time in the morning, 10 minutes before CPI. If you want to look to do something a little higher risk, but with a good potential to pass your evals, make sure y'all tap in with me. If you do want to get funded with Apex, Tradeify, or FFF, you can always use code Jdun for the best possible discounts. Apex is 80% off right now. Again, if you can trade up to 20 accounts, but if you can't get a payout on one, you're going to have a tough time getting a payout on 20. So just remember that. Just remember that. If you guys want to join me tomorrow morning for the bracket order strategy, has like an 80 to 85% success rate. Full disclosure, you can lose your evals. So if you're willing to put up a few $100 worth of risk, great. If not, then just don't participate. Keep trading how you normally trade. You can use code JDUN for Apex. You know, typically speaking, PPI would have passed easy today with your bracket order set, right? Before the data comes in, a minute before you put a bracket order for buys 10 points above and for sells 10 points below. The ideal situation is it goes up, hits that buy at 10, and then it goes 30 plus more points. So you basically need a 40-point direction in one way or the other to pass. If you don't get that, you blow your eval, right? Then you're not hedging either at that point. You don't want to get cooked for hedging. I'll be on with NQ in the morning. We're going to have an early stream tomorrow. So I'll be streaming for 3 hours tomorrow. When you come back to Vasa, right? Maybe one day. Gene says never. Yep, you can pass an evaluation in one day. You go to after this stream, you can go to apextraderfunding.com and use code JDUN for 80% off. You also can copy trade multiple accounts. You can trade up to 20 at a time, though. If you're new, you probably shouldn't do that. Yeah, sorry that trade wasn't very big today, guys. Break even, but it's all right. Still made a little bit of money today. I made a whopping $302 today, guys. Break even. I don't consider that a win for how I trade. I mean, I've been making $2-3 grand a day of real money, not props, real money, might I add. So when I have a small trade like that the executions break even, I just managed it decent. I don't count that as a win. I don't count that as a win. We might get a decent move the rest of the day, but I'm going to go to the gym very soon. Nice job, Trent and Team Bowl. Passed my first 4 take profit trader 50K tests. Learning a ton from you guys. Let's go. Damn, bro with the $17 day balling. You guys want to see something absolutely super sick? Team Bull. Let me find it. Don't. I'm getting something absolutely nasty for ski season. Shout out my boy Rob. This Tesla really looks ready to go. Once we break out above this like 360, this Tesla looks primed to rip to the upside. Primed. If we close today with strong volume like this, I'm open to even swinging Tesla. I mean, look at this puppy. Yep, NASDAQ looks like it wants to keep moving on up now. We had a strong, aggressive volume candle. Looking like we're going to break above this 970, which means we're likely going to break this structure and move to this 15-minute high. Check these bad boys out. Team Bull. Hard. The Team Bull skis. Hard. That's just dope, huh? I thought that was cool, man. I'm about to be shredding on them puppies. From my boy. I don't know what company. Hey, if you want the Discord link, you need to DM me on Instagram. It's JDUN Trades. I'll put it in the chat right now. Jdun Trades on Instagram. Message me that you're from the live stream and that you'd like access to the free Discord. If you're looking for mentorship or you have any other questions, that's the only place I answer DMs. So if you'd like to talk to me, it's on IG. It's verified. It's for your safety. So you don't get scammed. I do trade privately with my community. There's no lag there either. There's a lot of other benefits to being in there too. For a while now. If you don't have IG, you know what? I'll put this Discord link in YouTube right now. If you're in the YouTube chat. If you're not in YouTube, if you're in TikTok and you want to join the Discord, you can go to YouTube. Generate new link. Copy. There you go. I just posted it in chat. And I pinned the message as well on YouTube. If you have a Discord account, you should definitely join. There's a lot of benefits to being a part of it. Lots. Taking all this shit for a while now. You know. Well, guys, I'm going to hit a crazy workout today. I'm going to go cook some food, let it digest, chill for a little bit, and then we are going to go hit the gym. Gene, you want to come? Should I end the stream, or do you guys want to talk to Gene for a little bit? Does Gene even want to come on? That's the question.
I'll talk to them.
End the stream or let Gene come on? I got to go cook food. End the stream or let Gene come on? What do you guys think?
Wow.
End it. Dick. All right. Gene's gonna come on and trade with y'all. Gene's gonna come on and trade with y'all. Be nice. Gene's gotten a lot of payouts. Ask him anything you like. This man's an absolute beast. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm going to cook food. Enjoy. Well, welcome to being a live stream.
Hello, guys. How's it going? Time for a nice move, huh? He goes to go cook on Nuke's accounts. Let's do it or what? Hi, guys. You want to know my social security number? I don't have a social security number. I'm not from here. Do it. Nuke's account. I think we should, yeah. How do I exit a green trail? So, yeah, I do actually somewhat trail my stops. It depends. Let's see, guys. Where are we at on NQ? All right, let's move this over here. Full fort. You guys are funny. If you want to pass on CPI, personally, what I do is like, if I'm trading a 50K 5, I'll do 5 minis. My favorite is NQ. I didn't do that well today, guys. Not as good as the other day.
Damn, Gene. Got the rollie.
Someone asked for my social security number. Tell them I don't have one.
Gene's gonna put on the rollie.
I got a new rollie, guys.
You got the rollie.
Dude, I lost my watch. I don't know where it is again.
Did you?
I'm not good with.
Downstairs, next to some of your rings.
For real? I grabbed my rings.
Oh, maybe it's not.
I leave my stuff everywhere, guys. Doesn't really fit me that well. It fits me all right. It's a little loose. It was fun. It was out fun ringing. No, I don't trade YM. I literally only trade. What hours do you trade? For Asian, I like after 5 to like 7 or so. And when I'm trading Asian, I literally scalp. My best month, I think it was. Let me think. I think it was like 6 or something like that. I don't like anything right now, guys. I mean, honestly. So, I knew that dump was coming because we kept rejecting like this 80 area. And usually when you get a lot of consolidation, that's when you get that impulse move down. So if you look at the 5 minute at that like 9:15 candle, so 11:15 EST. It literally, you'll see it nuke. You'll see a nuke once it's done consolidating, but I had a feeling we were gonna go short. I was actually in a small piece of shorts at 973, but I literally I only wanted to try and scalp it. That's literally it. But if you see now at the 9:45 on the 5 minute, as soon as we came up to like that 970 area, we immediately started pushing down. But on days like this, I mean, it's there's not really any trend. We had that huge move for PPI, and then off open we had that huge drop too. So like usually when you have big moves like that, it's kind of hard to get an entry for those bigger moves, and then we just chop because the CPI. Honestly, I think. Yep, I work for Team Bull. How do you trade strategy? So if you have consistency to deal with like the CPI strategy, honestly, I'd get one eval that doesn't have consistency. So I won't trade my top step accounts for 1 day pass unless you're good with the consistency increasing and having to go for a higher target. But if you're good with that, then it doesn't really matter. I trade. I have 50Ks with Top Step right now. I think I have some 50s with FFF. Those are only two. I'm working on some Apex accounts right now, and eventually gonna get some more Tradeifys. No, Top Step doesn't do one day pass. Yeah, I took a trade earlier. I actually took a trade with Grizzly. Oh, look at that dump. See, try to test that 970. We're almost down 40 points from that. I took a trade with Grizzly. I thought we were gonna go break it and keep going long just because we had that reversal, but I was wrong, and we got an impulse candle. We ended up coming back up to my entry, but I stopped out before. Which, I mean, I think I ended the day negative 20 points, which isn't bad. I mean, I was up 20 points from Asian session, ended up down 20 points, which is okay. I mean, today was a bit harder. The biggest thing is really just taking it day by day. It's the hardest thing to understand. Like one day won't define all of your trading. I mean, next week I could hit a 100-point banger. You just never know. It all depends on how you execute. I'm 22, bro. For copy trader, it really depends. So if I'm trading Top Step, I'll use the Top Step X copy trader. If I'm trading like the TradeAvate accounts, if I'm only trading one firm, I'll use just the TradeAvate group trading. And then if I'm trading multiple, I'll use the Apex Trade Copier, where I can, put in different. I could put different TradeAvate brokers up in, so I could trade Tradeify, Apex, and FFF all together. Those are the firms that I like aside from Top Step. I like those three firms. I know they pay out too. I mean, I know I've gotten paid out from Tradeify and FFF. So yeah, I mean, those are the four main ones that I like out of all of them. Just Top Step is kind of expensive. I'm the new Jdun. So, I think just being around. So, here's the thing: everybody just thinks that being with somebody like Jacob, like a good trader, will automatically make you a good trader, and I agree with that to an extent. I feel like if you're around disciplined people, you don't necessarily need to be around a great trader. I mean, if you're with somebody who is just disciplined overall in their life, that rubs off on you, that'll help you be disciplined in your trading, if that makes sense. So how me and Jacob met was I was actually the first Discord member from Team Bull that he ever met up with, like in person. We had dinner. We related on a lot of stuff, so we just became good friends. And then eventually, I just started doing stuff for Team Bull. Like I run our merch and stuff like that. We're trying to get that back up. But yeah, my daily average, it really depends. I do better the first 2 weeks of the month. So I've been doing better, these first 2 weeks, and then it's I don't know why. I think it's a psychological thing, but it's always harder for me to trade like the last week of the month. If that makes sense. And my average, I don't know, I mean, base hits 20 30 points a day, you know what I mean? Like you could do a lot just with those 20 30 points a day, and that's what I really had to accept too is you're not going to do 100 points a day. You're not going to do 50 points a day. It's hard to do that, but if you just stick with those, 20 to 30 points with 1 or 2 contracts, you're killing it. Hispanic Jdun coming from Hispanic. Let's go. Yeah, a meet and greet would be dope. We've done them in the past, and they're really fun. I like Jdun better. That doesn't work. Me and Jdun too. I mean, he has a lot of stuff that I use. What I really take from him is he's a master at price action. He really is. But me, I use price action and then fibs and supply and demand. My best trades probably come from I don't know. I have good trades with. I use price action and everything, but fibs and supply and demand are like my main things in the price action. I'm not leaving too much on the table. Look at that drop, guys. Literally 100% that drop, dude. Drop came in. We're pushing down now. Literally right here. Or is that you? Yep. Literally came up, tested at 970 where we had. See, it's kind of hard to do it, but right here, I mean, I would have looked for at least some type of push down because we just had such an impulsive move off of this area, so there's obviously going to be some orders there, and that would have worked. You have 970, and now we're trading at 926. I mean, you could have caught a good 40 points or so, even if you would have scalped it for 25 points. Just those small little moves, they add up, and you just want to catch a small piece of the pie. I locked myself out though of my account, so I wasn't taking anything else. Jdun. Didn't get fired again. Yeah, I did. Those shorts came in insane. Honestly, I think we could potentially. I'm not giving you guys any trades, but I think we definitely get down to this 901. Just if it keeps moving. I mean, volume is telling me that, we really just, the main thing is getting it closed under like this 920 and just letting it free fall. We traded pretty much in like that 15% range, or first 15-minute counter, we traded in that range almost all day. Thank you, Elijah. I'm 22. I'll be 23 in almost a month. I'm getting old. Just graduated college in May from CU, University of Colorado. Max, just comment in there, bro. I'll see your comments in there if you want to ask me anything. I got my degree in finance. I got a bachelor's. Right after high school, I went, into college, and a lot of people don't like college, but for me personally, I mean, it was free. I got some good scholarships. I'm technically first generation, so I decided, you know what, send it. Let's do it. Um, my mom didn't graduate college, so I mean, I really wanted to do that and set. Even though like I'm more on the finance side, entrepreneurial side, whatever. I wanted to set that foundation, for my sisters and my little cousins, that they can do school too. I mean, I barely decided I wanted to go to college my last semester of high school, and I was like totally different than I am now. I didn't think I was going to be in high school or go to college at all. Leading, those years I was in high school, um, but I made it happen. Stuck with it, did it, accomplished it. Add it to my list of accomplishments. Not a lot of people they start but they don't finish, or not even a lot of people start. It's a bit challenging, but it wasn't too hard.
What up, dog? What's Market doing? Damn, that reject.
Bro, I was just explaining to them why, like, I was telling them that I thought this reject was going to happen because, we had this big impulsive move from this area up here.
Damn, that would have been a sweep up, stop at that 970 and then dip. That's crazy.
Literally. I mean, I could even see us cracking 920. I told them I'm not telling them to take anything, but it could happen. Look at somebody said, I thought this entire time that you were Jdun's kid. How? I'm literally not even 5. I'm 5'7". Cannot be his kid.
We have a bit difference in skin tone.
Yeah. 2 losses in one day.
Well, made us some food, Gene. We go eat.
Yes, sir.
All right, yo. All right, Team Bull. We're about to mob out of here. What's up? What's up? What's up? Everyone say bye to Mr. Gene. We'll be live in action tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, baby. At 6:15 Mountain Time. So 8:15 Eastern Time. Bright and early, baby. 6 o'clock in the morning. Trade smart, trade safe. Go get a workout in. Choose discipline over dopamine. And let's keep leveling up, baby.
There's Gerardo.
There's Gerardo. Hey, guys. Peace. Get your workout in. Stay disciplined. I'll see y'all later. Adios. Adios, Team Bull. God bless. Boom. Adios. Make sure you guys get your accounts ready too with code Jdun. If with Apex, FFF, or Tradeify, if you have questions on which prop firm is best for you, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades. I'll put it on the TikTok screen right now. Just see if you guys need it spelled. You guys can DM me on Instagram. JDUN Trades. It's on the TikTok screen, everybody. Screenshot that if you need. Go to your Instagram, type it in, hit that follow button, and message me if you need any help. God bless y'all. Peace. There's a 4 to 6 second delay, so you gotta wait. And then, damn. Adios.